I'm Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're going to have a look at some variations for your 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. Let's try replacing some of our basic steps with a kickball change. Let's start by recapping our 8-count footwork, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, triple step. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We want to try first a variation called a kickball change, starting on that right foot again. We kick with the right foot, step onto the ball of the right foot, and replace our weight on the left foot. When we put it together, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, kickball change. 5, 6, 7, 8, kickball change. 5, 6, 7, 8, kickball change. We want to make sure that we keep bouncing all the way through. It's not an upwards, springy kind of variation. We're trying to keep it all on the same plane. Let's try popping it into our 8-count basic. We're going to replace our step at the start, 1, 2, with a kickball change. Let's give it a try. 1 basic and then the variation. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, give it a try. Kickball change, triple, step, step, triple. 1 and 2, triple, step, step, triple. Now try that variation to one of your favourite tracks to dance to.